Welcome to the 3D Slanted Shell Stitch, Part 15 of the Odysseys of Textures Blanket. For this square, you'll need a basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will chain 28. For row 1, single crochet into the second chain from hook. Then skip 2 chains. After the 2 chains are skipped, place 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then the single crochet all into the same chain. Repeat these same instructions all the way down the row until you have 2 chains left. So skip 2 chains, then place 2 double crochet, chain 2, single crochet after the skip chains. And again skip 2 chains, then 2 double crochets, chain 2, single crochet, and repeat this until you have 2 chains left. When you get to 2 chains left, skip 1 and then place a double crochet into the very last chain. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. Place a single crochet into the same stitch as the chain 1 and working into the chain 2 spaces, place 2 double crochet, chain 2. After your chain 2, do a front post single crochet around the next double crochet. So work around the body of the next double crochet. Place a front post single crochet, and then repeat again into the next chain 2 spot. So 2 double crochets, chain 2, then a front post single crochet around the next double crochet, and repeat down the row. Into each chain 2 space you place 2 double crochets, then chain 2, and after the chain 2 you place a front post single crochet around the next double crochet. When you get to the end, place a double crochet into the last stitch of the row. To complete this square, repeat row 2 until the piece measures approximately 7 inches. Once the square is 7 inches, it is time for the border. For the border, chain 1 and turn. Place 3 single crochets into the corner. After the 3 single crochets, place 25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat this around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 evenly spaced single crochets. To join, we will slip stitch to the beginning chain 1. This square really doesn't have a front or back, it is reversible, but I am choosing the front of my square to be when the starting tail is on the bottom right corner. I also marked the front of my square with a slip of paper and a pin.